I wonder why is it so familiar.
Like, it feels so natural.
Really, I got no problem with any of it. They falling like Adam, I had to get above it. I need nobody, your mention really nothing. I see pretenders, no end to all your bluffing. Ooh, on my back, don't say your name on my back. I would never turn my back. Easy lose your soul like that. Ooh, where you going? Who you roll with? They want it, but I'm glowing, and you know it. Ooh, yeah, I think I'm done. I don't need it.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, bro. Absolutely.
Feels good to be out here.
Yeah.
But look at the wings, dude.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Super fresh air and.
Oh yeah.
We finished so far by the way.
37.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah.
We're heading back home now, right?
No. Just getting started.
Huh?
We're just getting started, bruh.
Please, man. That's it. I'm done, man.
So, doing 100k as promised. After a long time. Ready for it, Nikhil? I'll take it to the most glamorous 100k you'll ever get.
For sure.
I mean, look at this.
Yeah. What beauty.
What is this?
I don't need it. You see your click, yeah, and your meeting. Ooh, boy, I'm hungry, and you eating, and yeah, I want it. But that ain't Jesus, I'll be though. Pick up a bag to go, Uber the head to go. I'm active, oh, run for the master, oh. Hop in the alley, bro, don't add me, bro. Thinking you had me, whoa. Feel like a candy cold, and reload. You need a bandy, though. I come in handy, though. All in my bag, don't give a if you mad. I'm in the school of hard knocks and at the top of my class. And my abode is translucent while you rocking your mask. I'm sipping peaches and Prosecco while I'm watching you crash.
Doing a social experiment. Every person we see, we're like, okay, is he gonna say good morning? Okay, you were social experiment number 5. Out of the 5 people, bro, only 2 responded, right? 3.
Really?
Yeah.
So bad.
So bad, bro.
I don't need y'all. I ain't get your text, you sound like blah blah blah. I don't need the games, I'm finna take the reins. I'ma write up your claims, I'ma focus your
What's that one thing that you wish you knew before you started cycling?
Just how expensive it would get.
How did you spend this bike? Or ever since you started?
I mean, in terms of other riders I've seen, I wouldn't say that much, but it's still over 1 lakh. And that's not something that I planned on initially when I got into it. But yeah, no regrets though.
I don't need y'all, that's God. I don't need y'all, that's God. I don't need y'all. I ain't get your text, you sound like blah blah blah. Ooh, what I need new friends for? Yeah. Zach, come get a whoop.
No.
Yeah, bro.
What's that one thing that you wish you knew
Yeah.
before you started cycling? Jaldi.
I don't know, man. I
One
can't
thing.
think of it.
Something.
I wish I never started only. What the fuck is this, man? Fucking bullshit. That is the one thing I wish I knew.
You finna stop, fresh out of luck, all through the mud, when I'm feeling down, gotta look up, that's where I'm leaning, that's where I trust. I can't get no push, I don't need it though. You keep sending out texts, I ain't read it though. I've been on God's watch, can't speed it though. Ain't no rollie, but it's non-stop, do you get it though? That's God, I don't need y'all. I ain't get your text, you sound like blah blah blah. I don't need the games, I'm finna take the reins. I'ma write up your claims, I'ma forget your name.
Well, I attended the calm of Rabbit's back. A couple of us, a lot of us in the TMC have leaderboards except me. Fucking hard, dude. Woo! Well, I hope to at least made it to the top 10. That would be a nice fuck you back to me. 77 kilometers done and should be home soon. Maybe just about 100. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm quite impressed with you, bro.
Thanks.
Seriously. You should tap yourself on the back. Say Shabash Puttar. So yeah, almost 100k. With this guy, very impressive.
You want to go just one round and complete 100? Huh?
I'm not one of those guys. Good morning, welcome back to another video. No, not another video.
What's up?
It's a classic way of starting the video. So today, where are we off to, bro?
Where are we off to? Nandi Hills, supposedly.
Fuck yeah.
Never been this way, but fucking beautiful, beautiful road.
See,
So-
there you go.
Yeah,
You want to have a nice bike tour?
definitely worth it.
Just follow my route.
Everybody,
Link in the
Sure.
bio.
yeah, probably come this way.
No, link in my description.
Yeah,
We're also gonna try and get a glass of wine.
yeah.
So we're gonna go through some vineyards and we're gonna go knocking at their doors and ask them like, Macha,
Yeah,
one glass of wine please.
absolutely. I mean, we deserve it.
We deserve it. I mean,
Come all this way.
that's Nandi Hills there.
Yeah,
The thing is we can't climb it,
yeah, yeah.
but we'll go
Yeah,
quite
but-
close to it.
Yeah, might as well.
Do like a mini climb there.
Yeah.
See, I got the eyes for you. I go and die for you. That's not an over exaggeration. I'm just addicted to salivating over you. Yeah, you're my vice. The only thing that I can get away with eating twice. So I'ma let it drip, 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 drip down.
What's up, bro?
Have you found wine?
Yeah, I had all of it.
So Macha, this is called Nandi Parikrama.
Right.
When Nandi is closed, we come here and cycle.
Life hack.
Life hack. So yeah, it's fucking steep.
Huh?
It's quite steep.
Yeah. Oh.
We are in a small ring. Okay, we're in a small ring. Very good. And just breathe. Manchalayo.
I see blue. Turn your mouth into the orchid circle. Berry pink. Chewy loving on your taste buds. Nearly mix. Let it melt until that last thing. Mango tango Rita. Make you wanna meet a sour apple twist. It's the type to make your eyes cry. Get your fix.
Unfortunately, we couldn't find wine. I did take Nikhil for some nice sightseeing, so that's nice. I hope he liked it. He forgot his glasses at the railway station we just stopped by at. He's hitched an auto. I'm just taking it easy. Gonna meet him midway and then we're gonna take the highway and go back home. I mean, look at this view. These for days, bro. These for days. Happy?
Oh, yeah. Very much, very much.
Bro. Like, I expected worse, but
This is the last straw. Hold.
you know the Pump It song?
Huh?
You know the Pump It song?
What?
Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. You gotta pump it up, right? I wonder why is it so familiar.
Like, it feels so natural.
Seep into your bloodstream, let it kick. Ooh, it's that juicy taste explosion. I'ma let it drip, 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 drip.
Alright, Alright, so made it back. 113 kilometers. It was a pretty hard ride, I think. I mean, not hard, but just, yeah. Haven't done these in a long time. I think the last time I did was last Sunday, so I have a race this evening at 5 p.m. That's how the bike looks. I'm not sure if I might or might not do it. Let's see, I don't know. But yeah, good ride. Nikhil is still somewhere behind. Yeah, it's pretty hard for him, I can imagine, but super good ride with him nonetheless.
It's going to be interesting to see how hard it is off the line. I'm going to see he was on good form. He's dropping the hammer, he's Jeezy Gagan ready, he's just got 5 or 6.
So, I'm waiting for Joel, the guy who you saw in last time's video during the relief ride pickup. So he's gonna come meet me, and we're gonna shoot a chase video, him chasing me. He's gonna be in an e-bike. We're gonna try and do like a teddy bear nest in hotline sort of video. Well, let's see if it works. Should be fun. And it's fucking hot today.
So Joel bro,
Yes.
with the crazy camera next to your head. You recently started cycling, right?
Yes.
But not so recent. Like how recent?
Yeah, I think it was October last year.
Any thoughts on what your experience has been so far?
It has been extremely fun. I mean, I started with an e-bike. I think that's a plus point because e-bikes, right, as much as people hate them, they are like, say, imagine when you first started to cycle as a kid, you used to have these balancing wheels beside you.
Yeah.
So e-bike is something like that for power, right? Like, it's all the fun of bicycling without the commitment of, climbing steep hills and all of that. So it really got me into cycling because I didn't have to worry about, whether I'll get tired. And embarrassingly take a cab back home. All of that thoughts were gone out of my head. So after I got into e-bikes, I think somewhere in December I ended up buying another road bike.
Right.
That was 52 size. And I think I don't use this that much. I kind of ride my road bike. And then I got a fixie last month. So
Nice.
that's my jam now.
Nice.
Yeah.
So that brings us to the end of the vlog. My final few comments. I think I'll just talk about my experiences of thoughts I had or wish I'd known when I first got into cycling. Actually none, because I just love the way the progressions happened so far from where I started to where I am now and where I see myself go in the future. But it's been pretty damn good, I'm super happy. I'm super grateful actually that I got into cycling by fixed gear bikes and not anything else. I still love fixies. I'm still riding fixies, and yeah, I just hope I can do it for a long time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and so I hope you enjoyed the video. I think all I can tell you about next week is it's gonna be super interesting because it's my birthday week. My birthday is on Friday, and I am doing something special through the week because it's my birthday, and you'll know more, and you'll know more about it in my next vlog next Sunday.
I got all the flavors. I got all the flavor. Hot fruit toast, yellow butter toast. I got all the flavors. I got all the flavor.